Hey, it's Kevin McCarthy, and welcome to another day in real estate. So, I get this question a lot. Will you send me a list of the best investment properties that are out there? Well, when it comes to investment properties, that is quite a question that's just very hard to wrap your head around. What are the best investment properties? Give me your 10 best investment properties. Well, as far as investment properties go, what is the best investment property is what is best for the person who is investing. And so, what would maybe be my 10 best investment properties are not your 10 best investment properties. Also, the 10 best investment properties for your next door neighbor or whoever else you know in your friends group that is into that sort of thing. So I'm here in one of my investment property, but one of my clients' investment properties that I help them purchase. And when I sit down with somebody over something, we really try to dial in what is the best investment property for them based on how much that they want to put down. Is the market working in their favor? Can we get something that makes sense? What is their threshold for risk as well? And so, what somebody's threshold for risk is really going to play into what they're going to do as far as making a good investment for themselves. And so, I decided to start an investor series here. So, this is going to be video one of that, and it's what is the best investment property for you in your particular situation, right? So, the right investment property is the right investment property for you. So, as a real estate agent, what we want to do is sit down with you, take a look at the budget, take a look at projections and what you're comfortable with, and then start looking for properties that meet the needs, your needs, based on what your abilities are, what your risk threshold is, and what you're comfortable with. So, one of the things that we've done lately in this high interest rate environment is take a look at what the investment property will look like if interest rates are at a certain point. Because right now, you can actually get a deal on something, and interest rates are not ideal. But if interest rates are ideal, you're going to pay more for the property. So, what does that look like? Right? That's one very good example of that. Another example is if you're looking to, hold it only short term. Are you looking for long term? What does that look like? What is your particular situation? So in this house here, we're getting the cabinets painted. This house was a rental before, but it just was not taken care of. It had a paint job in it that was really ugly. The walls, they tried to go gray, but they turned out purple, and they left it that way. And the cabinets were absolutely nasty, and they just didn't keep it. I mean, obviously, this landlord just didn't keep up with the property. And so tenants will pay more for something that is nicer. So in this particular property, it's got great granite countertops already. So we're going to match that with some alabaster colored upper cabinets and go with a peppercorn base at the island and paint the cabinets in the restroom as well, the same as the island. Gave this whole place a fresh coat of agreeable gray all over it. That's an easy one that goes well with just about everything. And make sure you pick a good grade paint when you're doing that as well, because you want to go with something that has a little bit of shine to it, but not too much. The washable paints, go ahead and spend a couple extra $100 to buy the duration paint, because in the long run, it will save you a lot in having to redo it later or repaint or touch up when tenants move out. So if you would like to have a discussion with me about investment property, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I love talking property. So Kevin McCarthy, it's another day in real estate. Peace.